How to buy and sell NFTs right from OpenSea.io. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is log out so I can start over and then connect my wallet to the site. That way I can at least check what I have already or go look for other NFTs to purchase myself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, the NFTs that you just saw here, I got it from ShibaDoge, the whitelisted, the pre-sale offer they did on January 13th. I'm so excited about this because they're gonna be some really good NFTs. They haven't unveiled what they're gonna look like yet that you currently have, but some of these NFTs here looks really, really nice. And that's attracted me to, that's one of the reasons why it attracted me to ShibaDoge. It's an awesome community, good tokenomics, and great NFTs. So if I go to OpenSea.io, the first thing I would want to do is connect your wallet. So it says connect your wallet together. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet, and here's the funds I currently have in my Ethereum. Now, Ethereum does play a role in this whole process because that's how you buy and that's how you sell them as well in terms of NFTs. Now, the first thing I want to do is go to profile, and this is where I'm at. We currently have 10 NFTs. None of these has been unveiled yet, but if I want to start selling these, all I have to do is click on any one of these. Now, these three dots here give you some options. You can make this a profile picture. I can hide it, transfer it to someone else, copy this link, or sell. Click on sell. I can click right there. So, two options to sell this: fixed price and time auction. Fixed price is basically saying, all right, we're going to sell this at a fixed price. So 4.5 Ethereum will be a little bit over 14,000. And then here's the duration of how this is going to be listed. And don't forget about, use these areas here for more information about each of these sections that have this. Okay, I can sell this as a bundle. So if it sells as a bundle, bundle name, bundle description, right? So, and then I can reserve this for someone. So if I had the wallet address, I could put the information right there for that specific person. Here's a service fee and creator royalties. There will be fees involved, but there's no listing fee, which is good. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and pay for this for fixed price, complete listing is free. And then from there, I will have to pay a fee. So it says initialize your wallet, which basically should mean my wallet should be showing up here. Let me see, it's not coming in here, make sure. Okay, so this is my actually wallet. So this is my wallet. So the fees did not come up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something here. Let me refresh this. Make sure they accepting my wallet information. And I just did this. Okay, here it is, the MetaMask notification here. So I just refresh the page. Sometimes you just need to refresh this to happen. Now, the estimated gas fee right now is $472. That's what it would take in terms of the gas fees for me to list this. Well, me to sell this, right? Listing is free. Then after that, prove this item, which would basically approve it, which basically be there, and then confirm the listing. But once again, you do have to pay that gas fee, $472. Just click there, click there. Now let's go to the time auction. The time auction does have two different methods. You can sell to the highest bidder or sell with a decline price. If you do for the highest bidder, let's say we keep it at 4.5 Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum, matter of fact, and make sure this is the only option it does have. No Binance, is no other different token that's here. Here is the total amount. Now, the highest bidder could just be the highest bidder. Sell to the highest bidder. If I click on here, it says sell to the highest bidder or sell with a declining price. Will allow the listing to reduce in price until a buyer is found. That's what that information is. Duration could be 7 days, could be a week, could be 3 days, or it could be something else as well. And then, of course, here is the reserve price. I can reserve this I can actually reserve this price. If you don't receive any bids equal or to greater than your reserve, the auction will end without a sale. So that's to keep that in mind. So the listing fee is free. Listing is free. Once sold, the following fees will be basically calculated. So here are the service fees and creator royalties. Now, if I click on complete listing here, once again, my MetaMask notification will pop up, and look at the gas fees. Now, I'm getting this at a time where the gas fees are normally high. So that's usually around the nighttime, or actually the evening time. So if I'm going to do this transaction, I'm probably going to look to do this where I feel like gas fees will be a little bit lower. Late at night, really early in the morning, where things are a little bit cheaper. That's just my opinion. So once again, just like on the other process there on the fixed price, you definitely have to pay the fee. And then you also have to prove the item and then confirm your listing as well. So that's how you sell them. I mean, that's how you sell them at all. So, but if I wanted to buy them, it's the same way. If I wanted to buy them, you know, if I wanted to buy them, just type in NFT basically. So if I wanted to buy them the same way, so that's how you sell them. That's how to buy them. So if I want to buy them, I click on one of them here. This is actually the NFT board bunny. I can just select one of them here, top bid, place a bid. I can go ahead and place a bid and look to buy them as well. So, but I can always go back to my profile really quick here. You can add information in here, very simple, on settings and things like that. And go back here. So go back settings. And then once these are unveiled, which I can't wait to see them because they may look like this or look like some of these here, then I really feel like these are going to be even more valuable. So I will be listing one of these very shortly, but I just want to show you how to do it in case you want to do it. Make sure you got your profile, and then also maybe good to edit your information as well, okay? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let me go ahead and sign in there. Okay. Make sure you know, username, maybe your bio, some of your social media, things like that. That way, you know, you can do this correctly, very safely, and very easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.